All right, let's talk about the BombBomb free trial. As of right now, you can try BombBomb for 14 days for free, and you get the full platform. So it's not a limited exposure like you get with some of the programs. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about some of the things I wish I'd kind of known beforehand so that I could have maximized my trial even more. And then I'm also going to throw in a bonus later on if you're interested in going with BombBomb. I'm going to throw in a bonus that's going to give you some additional insight and more creative ways that you can use the platform. But for right now, let me go ahead and get started, give you some insight on maximizing your free trial. One of the first things I would say is put together a template with your business's branding information on it. These are pretty easy to make, and I'm not going to show you how to build one because there's lots of videos and stuff from BombBomb on how to actually do that. Another thing I'd recommend is that you create a couple buttons here. These are kind of call to action buttons. So for my business, obviously I have my website button, I have a video series, and I have a video course. And I will regularly refer to those in the video itself. So I'll say, look below, you can click on the button about this, or the button about the video course. So you can then take this template and you can duplicate it and alter it accordingly. So if you need some similar things but not exactly the same things in your call to action buttons, you can tweak those and then select each of those specific templates according to whatever you need for that particular video. Another thing I want you to remember is this. People are going to check their email differently. So do not get upset if you send a video and within 10 minutes somebody hasn't opened the video and played the video. Remember, some people check their email once or twice a day, and then other people check it a little more regularly. So realize that sometimes they're going to open it immediately. You're going to get a message back or an email back or even a phone call. Sometimes it's going to take a day or two. It just really depends on how they actually open their email. The first couple seconds of your video are going to compose a GIF that your receiver sees when they open your email. So I think it's like 3 seconds, somewhere around there. When they open it, they're going to see you doing whatever you do for the first few seconds. BombBomb recommends that you have something like a little mini whiteboard that you kind of hold up. I have a friend who held up a little post-it note. It really depends on whatever you like, whatever's easier for you. The whiteboards worked pretty well for me. But just remember, this first few seconds are going to compose that. So one thing I've kind of messed up on sometimes, and it still worked, is I'm kind of making a little bit of a weird face or not getting my sign quite right. But really, as long as they can read that it's personalized, it's for them, then they really like it and it makes a lot of sense. So the bonus that I mentioned at the beginning of the video is 5 creative ways to use BombBomb to grow your business. And this is a 5-part video series that I put together when I was talking with Jonathan over at BombBomb. And we go over things like using screen grabs to get people's attention, how to get on podcasts, frequently asked question videos, recognition videos, cold reach out emails. These are just all really creative ways that you can utilize BombBomb. So go ahead and start your trial now. You can see the link at the bottom of the screen. You can either type that in or you can click on it in the description or in the comment section. Notify me. You'll see instructions in the description box, and I will be able to send you over your free bonus video series. I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.